So look at this dog. He's going mad. He's killing me. It's like 12 o'clock at night. Here, look at this.
So first,
No, Coco. It's this.
But I'll tell you what it is. The first with
Yeah, baj raha hai. It's not outside. It's on my laptop. It's on my laptop. You gotta stop barking. It's not outside. I know your condition, Pablo. So annoying यार ये इसको चुप कैसे कर रहा हूँ यार. This is only allowed to happen once I'm done meditating. Good morning, guys. Yesterday was Guru Purnima and I got out at like 2 a.m. I was editing a video and I went to see the moon and this is what it looked like. It is the brightest moon of the year and I was so grateful that I got to witness it. The energy was just so high. What's interesting is that it is also the day that Lord Shiva gave his 7 disciples the gift of yoga, and it is also the same day that the man who wrote the Vedas and the Upanishads, I'm forgetting his name, it was his birthday, and just so many other spiritual gurus and leaders have been born on this day where mom spoils Coco. हाथ से खिलाते
This is how your mom has spoiled you.
Burn. Damn. Shit. Uncalled for.
नहीं खा रहा तुम नजर लगा
खा चुपचाप.
आंखें देखिए अच्छा मेरे बच्चा खा
मम्मा. नहीं खाना तो बाहर जाओ. हो मजाक कर रहा था. मजाक कर रहा था.
अच्छा मेरे कमरे में आ जा चल
This is proof that practice does make you better. For this song, it took me so long to get it right because the tung 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 bit is like really difficult. At least it was for me. So I just kept practicing and it happened. And I'm so happy right now that I'm able to actually play along to the song. Now I'm free. It's a good workout. Change things up. I just might continue with this. Seems really nice. You know, I'm gonna try something a little different with the vlogs and actually make it like a vlog and take you along my journey. What's up, guys? So today is Monday. I'm gonna be wearing jeans क्योंकि थोड़ा formal लगता है, you know. Now, अगर आपने मेरा वीडियो देखा था 2-3 दिन पहले, I had spoken about if you feel the one titled if you're feeling low then watch this. I'd spoken about having an accountability group and I'd spoken about having a problem where I wasn't waking up in time and that was frustrating me. So for the past couple of days, it's been better. I have these ups and downs, so I'm not going to judge it based on that. But I'll tell you what's different. This time, I have a group called Habit Formation Experiment. A lot of my close friends are on it and a lot of people I don't even know are on it. But people who are actually serious about building habits are on it. So but basically we keep each other accountable and stuff. And like I have a buddy, Meron, who speaks to me like every single morning. Like as we wake up, we call each other and we have a specific time that we have to call each other. So the thing is that, you know, I've tried accountability before and it doesn't always work. You know, one or the other person falls off and the other person doesn't want to be a drag to the other person. So it just kind of like goes its own way. But over here, one thing that I want to say about Meron, and I know you're watching this, what I like between our partnership is that he is equally as hungry as I am. He has been wanting this so badly since such a long time, and I feel the same way. And अगर वो thirst नहीं होती ना, कुछ नहीं होता. And I actually journaled about this note. I wrote that it's the hunger that counts. So even when you're hiring your team, even when you're hiring potential partners, you have to look at how hungry they are. Because if they're hungry enough, they will bite the things that they don't like. If they're hungry enough, they will be ready to do the things that aren't comfortable. They'll be willing to go the extra mile. And that's what I feel like the case is over here. Things that are like notions that just stop us from being accountable to each other and keeping each other accountable goes away. So even when you're hiring someone, just make sure like their hunger is equal or more than yours, because then they'll be willing to get uncomfortable, they'll be willing to, you know, take that extra step. Morning thoughts. Anyway, I'm gonna get to work now. देखते हैं what the day holds for us. Peace. Thanks, mom. अच्छा. A lot.
आ जाओ, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. कब तक आएंगे आप?
मैं मतलब 15-20 मिनट में आ सकता हूँ.
हाँ, मार्केट की तरफ आ जाना आप.
ठीक है, मैं गाड़ी में ही हूँगा, लेकिन उनको गाड़ी में देना पड़ेगा.
वहाँ पहुँच के फोन कर देना.
Okay, bye. So after yesterday's whole experience, I made a decision that I cannot let my laptop be unreliable if I am going to edit on it every single day. My only thing that I can actually do and to upgrade it is upgrade the RAM. It's up to 16 GB, so I'm just getting another 8 GB RAM and going to upgrade this. Now I look at this in a very personal growth perspective, because like if I want to rough my laptop out, I have to make sure it has the equipment and the right kind of environment for it to be able to, you know, give it its best. So that's my 2 cents of spiritual guidance on buying RAMs. Find a way to come in, and I actually don't mind. It's just that sometimes they get aggressive. They're like kids in the house, and you know, that kind of stuff. It rained, I didn't. Okay, I'm quickly gonna exchange cars and take some cash out from mom. Lol. It's the first time I'm going to be installing something on my laptop by myself, so I'm kind of like proud of myself. I feel like, you know, one of those DIY type of people. Yeah. Hi mom. मैं wallet ही घर पे भूल गया. I'm so stupid. She left the car in D. ऐसे थोड़ा ना होता है. And handbrake switched on. Mom, this is not acceptable. Like what? Anyway, I just want to say that from one of the vlogs, like the other day, I don't remember which one, I removed this portion of like this beggar trying to like ask for money, and I gave her money, and I wrote my piece about it, but I just removed it. But I do want to share it today. So, you know, there's so many of them there. They're kind of helpless, but they can do a lot. I also believe that. And everyone, I believe, like that I know, is in this huge dilemma of whether we should give them money or not. Now, this one conversation I had with one of my friend Kabir kind of stuck with me. So his philosophy is damn simple. He's like, I won't give money to anyone who can help themselves. He might give them food and stuff, which is great, but if they're older, like really old and kind of incapable, then he will help them out. Or if they're super young, like infant young, then he will help them out. But nothing to encourage them to keep like begging. So तुम promote कर रहे हो यार गलत चीज. You're giving them the easy way out every single time. So what's the point? Oh, the car's been removed from behind me. Let's go. I've just been talking. It's a beautiful day. Yes, 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 yes. So why am I actually getting this RAM when I don't really need it? Yes, I could use it, but I don't really need it. Now, the thing is that now my philosophy of upgrading the RAM is a little weird. I think of the laptop as like the human body. I think of the RAM as muscles, and I think of this 100-day challenge to vlog every day like a 100-day trek. Now, if I go into this trek without the right amount of training, sure, I might be able to do it, but I'll have to struggle. I'll have to really struggle throughout it, and by the time I come out of it, I might not be significantly stronger. But if I prepare for this 100-day trek and I get my physical fitness to an optimum level, I will be able to make the trek faster, I will enjoy it more, and I will be able to just make the most of it, and I might just even come out stronger. So that's the reason I'm actually upgrading the RAM. Yo, what's up?
Hello?
What's up? So it's like I can do without upgrading this RAM, but I know I'll do much better, I'll be much happier, and I'll just do my work much quicker. I'll be able to learn more things if I upgrade it. So that's my decision making thought process of upgrading the RAM. Where is this guy, by the way? How long will he take? In other news, this just broke. How do I stand this? Oh, up again. What is this new normal stuff? Why do I have to sanitize things as I get them? Like, I don't like this. This is like dividing humanity. Oh shit. Got my new RAM, baby. It's so small. Okay, let's go home and do it ourselves.
I'm saying, with those inverted commas, no pressure. So it's like, understand.
No pressure, yo.
So,
We have. It's screw. Could have definitely broken that. There we go, so easy. Oh, that was easy. What's the point? 51, 52, 53. If it's low, I'll kill myself. 55. Not worth it, guys. I mean, I'm making a judgment too early, but okay. I hope it's worth it. Alright? On this note, it's late. I need to edit a lot, and this is my everyday story now. I'm gonna go, and I will see you guys tomorrow. And if you like the video, please like and subscribe. It means a lot to me. All you have to do is press this free thumbs up button, and see you guys next time. Bye bye.